Cantt is a military cantonment located in Wah in the Punjab province of Pakistan. It is a part of Texla Tehsil of Rawalpindi district. It is the 24th largest city of Pakistan by population. The original name of Wah was Jalalsar, a small town enriched with one of the most important archaeological sites of the world. This small town has two chartered universities, one medical college, one engineering college, and many other technical schools and colleges. Cantt has the largest literacy rate in Pakistan, approximately 99%. The name Wah has its roots in the Mughal era with the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. It's said that Jahangir army was coming back from Kashmir mission. It was evening time. Emperor Jahangir army was tired. As soon as the emperor saw a place with a natural spring, he loudly said Wah. Later, people started calling the area Wah. The Cantt came into being in 1951 when Prime Minister Khwaja Nizamuddin unveiled the foundation stone of Pakistan Ordnance Factories Cantt. Chaudhry Sardar Khan was the founder and first Deputy Director General of Pakistan Ordnance Factories POF Cantt. Cantt is divided into 27 sectors and some private housing colonies. Cantt is a multicultural city. People with various ethnic backgrounds live and work here. People from different religious backgrounds live here. People are skillful and educated, and most of them are factory employees. Beautiful trees and road are the uniqueness of Cantt.